Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam not downloading games. So first, you want to make sure that you have Steam opened on your computer. Then, you're going to click on Steam over here at the top left corner. Then, you want to go to the settings. And from here, you're going to click on Downloads on the left side bar. Then, you're going to go here to Download Region. Then, you want to make sure that the area is set to where you are living. Then you want to scroll down a little and you want to go to Chattel Downloads while streaming and you want to make sure that that is turned off. Then next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to Storage. Then you want to make sure that you have selected a drive or you have sufficient storage. Then you also want to click on the three-dot option over here at this side and you want to also click on Repair Library. So after you've clicked on Repair Library, your Steam application should restart. So you want to reopen the application after that. Then next thing that you can do is you're going to go to Downloads again. Then you want to scroll down and click on Clear Cache. And after you've done all of those steps, you want to retry downloading again and that should work. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.